Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPhone 13 cases 2021 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Apple has officially announced the iPhone 13 today. It's one of the year's most anticipated events, with enthusiasts screaming for a new phone. While we've been keeping an eye on the iPhone 13 for a while, we'll finally find out everything it has to offer today. Better video formats, a new AI-based filter system, and improved video quality are all expected. If you're waiting in line for the latest Apple technology, you'll want to make sure you're prepared to secure it. There are already iPhone 13 cases available on Amazon, allowing you to customize your phone to match your needs. It makes perfect sense to choose the best iPhone 13 cases for your new phones. Some are even on sale right now in preparation for the launch. On Amazon today, you may discover alternatives for as little as $8.99. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 13 cases 2021, so let's get started. 6. Rinky Fusion. Clear back case for iPhone 13 compatible with the iPhone 13 with a 6.1-inch display, 2021 shock absorption and a durable clear hard PC back. The TPU bumper frame improves grip for more comfortable handling. The raised bezel lip protects the front display screen and the back camera from damage. The built-in dual quick catch lanyard holes can be used to attach hand or neck straps. Straps sold separately. Precision cuts allow you simple access to charging ports and controls on the iPhone 13. 5. Olsims Compatible. The Olsims Compatible for iPhone 13 cover is your best bet if you like a silicone case. It comes in a variety of colors and has a slick but non-slip feel. For $15.99, you can get military-grade protection. This case is compatible with the iPhone 13 and features 1mm raised lips to protect the screen and camera from scratches and falls. The inside has a soft microfiber lining that won't scratch your phone. Liquid silicone phone cases for iPhone 13 provide a comfortable touch and are non-slip. It has a silky feel to it, but it can be gripped tightly. This high-quality material is stain-resistant and easy to clean. 4. Classicu Clear Case. We'll further continue with the most important deal of the lot. Quality materials are used to create the Classicu Clear Case for iPhone 13. A 1mm camera protector and 4 shock-absorbing corners are included. This is available for just $8.99. The Classicu iPhone 13 case is constructed of high-quality TPU plus PC material that is anti-yellowing and long-lasting. Allow for wireless charging. Screen and camera security. Camera lips of 1mm and screen lips of 0.8mm safeguard your camera and screen from everyday wear and tear. All connections and controls are easily accessible thanks to responsive buttons and precise cutouts. Shock-resistant corners. Our iPhone 13 clear case contains 4 shock-absorbing corners that efficiently absorb up to 200% of shocks or impacts, protecting your phone from scrapes, scratches, bumps, and bruising. 3. Spider Case. This iPhone 13 case is only compatible with the iPhone 13 6.1-inch model and fits precisely with the phone's many cutouts and ports, including the speaker, buttons, sensors, camera, and so on. This iPhone 13 case features a built-in screen protector and an anti-scratch back panel, as well as a shock-absorbing effect on all 4 corners and scratch-resistant protection. Exceptional waterproofing capabilities. A specially tested waterproof case with transparent front and rear camera lens covers allows you to take high-quality HD images and videos even while the phone is submerged, with no hindrance to the phone's other functions. 2. Clear Case by Chodson. Choose the Chodson iPhone 13 case for even more savings. This is crystal clear and has raised edges and strengthened corners. This has a slim profile and a double discount, bringing the price down to $14.21. When the screen is positioned face down, reinforced corners and raised edges prevent it from falling, bumping, or scratching. Rugged protection with reinforced corners protects from even high-velocity collisions with hybrid protection. High wireless charging efficiency allows you to charge wirelessly without having to remove your case. 1. F-Love-Me Compatible. When you have the F-Love-Me Compatible with iPhone 13 case, you won't have to worry about yellowing. This is made of durable polycarbonate and will not yellow or crack. There are cutouts that allow you to reach the buttons and ports with ease. With a $2 coupon, you can purchase it for only $11.99. Protection is provided by 4H combined hard polycarbonate, PC, plus soft TPU bumper plus 4 elastic airbags. Protect your equipment against scratches, drops, accidents, and dust, ensuring that drops and shocks are completely avoided. The antioxidant element increases the anti-yellowing performance by 10 times, and the long-lasting clarity retains the original flavor. Your iPhone, to be precise. This is a clear protective case that lets the natural beauty of pricey new phones shine through. Compatible with iPhone 13, the iPhone screen is protected by a 1.4mm raised frame, while the camera is protected by a 3.2mm raised lip. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 13 cases 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.